not available right now, but I will tell him that. Excuse me, I'm here. Okay, after the interruption, let me continue everything from the beginning, and let's continue. The class is gonna be from house to house, okay? You will be learning some new words, yes? Because I want you to understand them for the next exam, okay? So, today we are going to use the student's book, yes? You have to open your book on page 90. You have to write the date, red capital letter, etc. And before we continue answering the exercise, I am going to explain 3 materials. The topic today is materials, by the way. And I am going to explain the materials and the characteristic of each one. And what can we make with those materials, okay? The number 1 is this one, cotton. The cotton is, you can take this material from the tree. Yeah, you can take it from the tree. And the characteristic of this material is really fresh. Yes, this material is really fresh. What that does, it means that it's cool, fresh. For example, when you touch the wall, the wall is fresh as well, the cotton. Okay, and the cotton is basically this material is the cotton. Okay, and what can we make with the cotton? We can make a t-shirt. Thank you, helper. This is a t-shirt made of cotton. Yes, if you can take something made of cotton and if you put it right here on your face, you can feel fresh. Yes, you feel fresh, cool. This is the characteristic of the cotton. Okay, the second material is the wool. This is the wool. And the wool, you take it from the sheep hair. Okay, the sheep hair. And when you have the wool ready to use it, you have it like this. Yes, you have the material like this. This is the wool. And what can we do with the wool? Helper, thank you. Excellent, helper. This sweater, usually sweater, are made of wool, okay? And the characteristic of the wool is really warm, okay? When you are cold, you use something made of wool, and then you are warm, okay? It's warm, the characteristic of this wool, okay? The material number 3 is the leather. The leather, you take it from the animal skin. In this case, from the cow. When you take the skin from the cow, you take something like this. And the characteristic of the leather is really strong. It's really strong. It's hard to rip it off, okay? And what can we make with the leather? You can make many things, like, you can make a wallet like this. If you open it, you can see the material, which is the leather. And also, you can make shoes from the leather, or you can make jackets from the leather. And I am going to paste it right here just to remember. You can make shoes from the leather. Yes. Also, you can make t-shirts from cotton. You can make many things, but for example, the t-shirt in the wool, because it's warm, you can make sweaters, etc. So, what do I want you to do? On page number 90, you have the tree, the cow, and the sheep. What do we have to do? You have to use the pencil or different color, whatever. So you have to match the material with the clothes or with the things you can make with those materials. That is in the first page. Don't forget the date. You can use a white clear space. In the second page, which is 91, you have to write the characteristic. Yes, you have to write the characteristic. For example, the wool is, there you have it, the leather and the cotton. After that, you have to wait, because I am going to check your answers. You can participate and you can get some points. And guess what? With those points, you can get some candies when we go back to the classroom. Okay, well, that's it for today, and I'll see you soon in another video.